Have you ever felt like money is the boss, dictating all your decisions while you just obey? It seems like it's in control, telling you where you can go, what you can do, and even influencing how you feel. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. You can flip the script and take charge. Let me share some secrets with you to master money and create a legacy that will make a difference. You'll discover how the most successful families handle their finances. You know those families that seem to have everything under control? They know exactly how to manage their money and, more importantly, teach their kids the value of money from an early age. And here's the good news. You can do this too. My goal is to give you practical tools to change your mindset and create a healthy financial system in your home. Now, mastering money goes far beyond simply saving and investing well. It's about understanding how our beliefs and behaviors influence our relationship with it. Unfortunately, financial education is often neglected in schools. And the result? Many of us enter adulthood without knowing how to manage our money effectively. That's why learning and applying solid financial principles is so important. We need to use money as a tool to achieve our goals, not as an end in itself. Let's start with a powerful idea. Money shouldn't define who we are. It's neither good nor bad, it's simply a tool to create value. With this abundance mindset, even challenges can become opportunities. Let me share a bit of my journey with you. I've been on the brink of bankruptcy and lost loved ones. These experiences were devastating, but I chose to learn from them and use them to help others. My stories show that our circumstances don't define us. What matters is how we respond to them. The first point is very important. Teaching children to create value before even talking about money. You know those 100 most powerful families in the world? They do exactly this. They don't focus on leaving a fortune of money alone. Instead, they pass on a rich cultural heritage. What does this mean? It means that family values, skills, and the right mindset are much more valuable than money itself. Because let's be honest, a financial inheritance without a solid cultural foundation can lead to emotional and financial ruin for future generations. Let's delve a little more into these skills to create value. We're talking about problem solving, being creative, and seeing opportunities where others only see obstacles. These are the real riches that most wealthy families prioritize. They believe more in cultural inheritance than in economic inheritance. Valuing life lessons, values, and the right mindset is what makes the difference. Without this, money can bring imposter syndrome, mental health issues, and a purposeless life of indulgence. These families invest heavily in the education and personal development of their children. They want to ensure they are prepared to face life's challenges. And how can we do this too? Check the link in the video description to discover a 7-second ritual that transformed these families' financial lives and can transform yours too. Another good tip is to adopt a household economy system. This system is simple and practical and helps distinguish between expectations, additional chores, and spending. Let's break this down. Expectations are those daily tasks like making the bed, doing the dishes. These tasks shouldn't be tied to monetary rewards. They're part of the routine and responsibility of everyone in the house. Now, additional chores are an opportunity for kids to earn money by making extra effort. It could be cleaning the garage, preparing a meal, things that go beyond the basics. With this system, kids learn the difference between their basic responsibilities and the opportunities to earn money. This helps create a healthy work ethic. And more than that, it teaches that value isn't just in the money they earn, but in the skills and mindset they develop along the way. So let's go. Start implementing this in your home. Teach your kids to see value in the little things, to solve problems creatively, and to seize opportunities. Because in the end, that's what will make the difference in their lives and ensure they're prepared for the future, no matter what happens. Teaching children the value of money through practice is crucial. Imagine a family saving money on groceries using coupons. The kids help plan a family trip, looking for the best deals on flights, hotels, and activities. This not only teaches financial skills, but also strengthens family bonds. The kids learn that money is limited and must be managed carefully. An effective strategy is to create a system where children manage their own expenses. For example, give them an allowance for things like toys, sports, and outings with friends. When they are responsible for their own spending, they learn to value money and make informed financial decisions. This also helps avoid the spoiled child syndrome, where they expect everything to be handed to them without effort. Another crucial aspect is generosity. But before we talk about that, don't forget to give this video a like. So, teaching children to be generous creates an abundance mindset. They can learn to share, save, and invest from an early age. For example, encourage them to donate a portion of their allowance to a worthy cause or to spend time and skills helping others. Additionally, it's important to address financial trauma. Hearing parents argue about money can cause children to develop an aversion to the topic. Have open and honest conversations about money with your kids, explaining age appropriately about investments, savings, and donations. These discussions help demystify money and understand its true purpose as a tool to achieve goals. Sit down with your children and show them how the household budget works. Explain how you decide how much to spend on groceries, entertainment, and savings. Show them how saving can allow for a trip or buying something desired. Give them a small amount of money and let them decide how to spend, save, or donate it. This helps them understand the value of things and the importance of making conscious choices. For example, if your child decides to save for a bicycle, they learn the importance of saving and the value of effort. Involving children in these activities educates financially and creates family memories. Teaching about money in a practical and engaging way prepares your children for a financially healthy and balanced future. One of the best ways to teach children about money is to integrate family activities that reinforce these values. For example, involve the children in community service activities. This teaches generosity and shows the value of helping others. Imagine the whole family participating in a food drive. The children see how their actions can make a difference in people's lives. These experiences are valuable for their personal and financial growth. Another important point is having people around who share the same values. But before we talk about that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning about financial education. So, being around friends, mentors, and community members who value family and generosity helps maintain these practices in daily life. This support is essential during tough times, providing an emotional and practical safety net. Teaching about money from an early age has a profound and lasting impact. Imagine your child growing up with the confidence to achieve their financial goals, manage their money wisely, and still help others. This positively influences all areas of life, from career to relationships. To put these ideas into practice, set family financial goals. They can be short-term, like saving for a trip, or long-term, like paying for college. Involving the children in planning and tracking these goals teaches the importance of planning and sacrifice. Imagine the joy of everyone when they achieve a goal together, like a dream trip or a college fund. Financial education can be fun. Use board games that simulate financial situations, educational apps, and practical activities to make learning interesting for children. Imagine a family game night where everyone learns about investments and savings in a fun way. These tools teach financial concepts and encourage critical thinking and decision-making. Teaching about money in a practical and fun way is the key to ensuring our children grow up understanding the value of money. Moreover, you have a powerful tool at your disposal: technology. It can be an incredible ally in children's financial education. Nowadays, there are various apps that teach about money in a fun and engaging way. For example, some games simulate running a business where the child is responsible for making all decisions. There are also apps that allow them to manage a virtual budget, like having their own digital bank. These tools are a fantastic way to make learning about money interesting and relevant for the digital generation. However, it's not just through technology that we teach about finances. Parental example is crucial. Children observe and learn a lot from what they see. So, if you have good financial habits like saving regularly, investing wisely, and donating to causes you believe in, your children will notice and start to value these actions. This will help create a solid foundation of financial ethics in their lives. Another important strategy is transparency in family finances. There's no need to hide anything. Speaking openly about money, including victories and challenges, can demystify finances and teach children to deal with uncertainties and risks. These conversations are precious for preparing the little ones to make their own financial decisions with confidence and wisdom. Let's talk about allowances. Giving children a regular allowance and teaching them to manage that money is an excellent way to put theory into practice. They will learn to save, spend consciously, and even donate, all in a safe and controlled environment. Plus, it's a perfect opportunity to teach about the importance of living within a budget. Practical experiences are also invaluable. Allowing children to run a small business, like a lemonade stand or selling crafts, is a valuable lesson. They will understand the value of work, learn to set prices, and the importance of good customer service. These experiences provide a real sense of the value of money and the importance of effort and initiative. Using all these strategies to teach children about finances in a fun, practical way filled with real-life examples is essential. After all, financial education is a gift that lasts a lifetime. Let's talk about something that can make a big difference in the financial lives of children and teenagers: reading. Yes, there are many amazing books about finances geared toward young people that help form good habits and expand financial knowledge. These books are great for complementing the practical lessons we give day to day, offering a solid and easy-to-understand theoretical foundation. Now, it's important to remember that financial education isn't a one-time class. It's an ongoing process, a journey full of teachings and experiences that develop over time. Parents need to be ready to adapt and evolve as their children's needs and growth require, always offering support and guidance. A key point to remember is that the true legacy we leave is not measured in money, but in the values and skills we pass on to our children. Teaching our children and grandchildren to be better than us in all aspects is the true secret of financial competence. Money is just a tool to create value, and if used correctly, it can enrich our lives and those of the people around us. Adopting an abundance mindset, seeing difficulties as opportunities, and focusing on creating value are essential steps to mastering money instead of being dominated by it. Teaching our children to value money through practice, generosity, and personal responsibility is the best way to ensure a healthy and meaningful financial future for the next generations. So the next time you face a financial challenge, ask yourself, how can I create value from this? This simple question can transform your perspective and open up a world of opportunities. Moreover, involving your children in this reflection can be a valuable chance to teach them about resilience, creativity, and responsibility. The journey to financial education is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a constant commitment to learning and growth. By adopting these principles and teaching them to our children, we are not only creating a solid foundation for their financial future, but also paving the way for a life rich in purpose and meaning. In the end, true financial success is not measured by the amount of money we accumulate, but by the quality of life we can create for ourselves and our families. With the right tools and strategies, we can all learn to master money and use it to build a lasting and valuable legacy. Check the link in the video description to discover a 7-second ritual that can transform your family's financial life in no time. And finally, I want to reinforce our commitment to offering the best content through our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and use what you've learned here to create something magnificent in your life. To your success and financial wealth, see you in the next video.